Welcome to Koinamed India Private Limited. I'm your host Himanshi Sethi, going to represent to you our surgical operation table, that is Matrix Advance in the ultra low version. You can have a look to this table. This table is made up of 304 stainless steel, having the 5-section top, the head section, the back section, inbuilt kidney bridge, the pelvic section with the penereal cut, and the leg section. We have provided the split leg section in this table. You can see we have provided the gas spring feature in the split leg section. By putting a little pressure, you can see you can adjust the leg section according to your need. It is available in both of the leg sections. The standard accessories, you will get the pair of lithotomy crutches, anesthesia screen, pair of side support, pair of arm rests, and pair of shoulder support. In the head section, we have also provided this gas spring feature. You can adjust the head section according to your desire. The length of the tabletop is 2000 mm and the width of the tabletop is 540 mm. As this is advanced version of our electric operation table, that is Matrix Advance with the ultra low version. Now I will operate the position with the help of remote. You can have a look to this remote. We have provided LED backlight system, so you can operate the position in the operation room easily. Now I will show you the positions. You can see the table is going upwards. Now you will see the table is going downwards. And the maximum height of the table is 670 mm to 1070 mm. I will show you the Tendelberg. This Tendelberg is worked for 25 degree on the both of the sides. Now I will show you the lateral tilt. This tilting feature worked for 20 degree on the each side. Now you will see the movement of backrest. Now you will see the top sliding of the tabletop. The top sliding of this table work for 5 inches forward and 5 inches backward. If you can see on the column of the table, we have provided the another remote for operating the positions. From here you can also operate the positions. Now the table is going upwards and now the table is coming to downwards. You can operate the same features with the help of this nurse panel, and you can see we have also provided 2 memory functions over here, so you can set 2 features also. If you can see on the base of the table, we have laminated the base with the blue film, so you can just remove this blue film when you get the delivery of this product. We have provided central floor locking in this table. You can see the table is moving right now. When I put them down on the both of the sides, the table is not moving. The table is locked now. On the base of the table, we have provided 4 caster wheels with the 100 mm diameter, which make it easy movement from the base. If you can see on the top of the table, I have created several positions with the help of remote. Now I will show you the zero positioning. By pressing the single button, that is 0, you can see the table is come to its actual position. So this is all about our Matrix Advance operation table with the ultra low height. The main feature of this table is ultra low height, that we are providing the height that is 670 mm to 1070 mm. I hope you got the knowledge of this product. If you like the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.